Imagine an egg that dances across a pan like a silk scarf on ice, leaving absolutely nothing behind. No sticking, no scrubbing, and most importantly, no hidden toxins. Welcome to a new era of effortless cooking. This is the Caraway Nonstick ceramic mini fry pan. It is the 8-inch powerhouse that is about to redefine your kitchen routine. We've all loved the classic 10.5-inch Caraway pan, but this is its nimble, compact sibling, perfectly tailored for that single-serve golden omelet or a quick, healthy dinner for two. But the real story isn't just about the size, it's about what is missing. For decades, we have settled for cookware coated in PTFE, PFOA, and lead as chemicals that can leach into the very food we serve our families. Caraway changes that narrative. This pan features a naturally slick ceramic coating that is entirely non-toxic. It's a commitment to a healthier lifestyle, ensuring that the only thing on your plate is the fresh, delicious food you prepare. Experience the joy of a pancake that flips with effortless grace. Because the surface is naturally slick, you will find yourself using much less oil and butter, letting the true flavors of your ingredients shine. And when the meal is over, the magic continues. Forget the heavy scrubbing and the soaking. A simple wipe and a quick rinse make the cleanup, dare we say, enjoyable. The craftsmanship is palpable from the moment you hold it. There is no warping and no chipping. It is a durable piece of art that looks stunning on any stovetop. It's versatile too, transitioning seamlessly from the burner to the oven with a heat resistance of up to 550 degrees. Just keep the heat low to medium, add a tiny dash of oil, and let the pan do the work. Elegant, safe, and incredibly effective, this mini marvel is the upgrade your kitchen deserves. Caraway has mastered the art of the